Tahini cinnamon swirls. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and to heat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, lightly sprinkle your work surface with flour. And then, working with 1 sheet of thawed puff pastry at a time, roll the pastry out into a rectangle. My rectangle was about 10 by 12 inches. Next, spread half of the tahini over the puff pastry. You can use plain or chocolate. I did 1 sheet with plain and 1 sheet with chocolate. Both are delicious. Leave a 3/4 inch border on one of the long sides, and then combine the brown sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, and vanilla paste. Mix well, and then sprinkle half of the sugar mixture over the tahini spread pastry. Roll the pastry up, starting on a long side opposite the bare edge. Roll it up tightly, and then cut it into 10 to 12 even pieces. You may want to trim off the ends. My ends were a bit uneven, so I just cut that uneven part off so that I had a uniform log. Next, arrange your swirls on your prepared baking sheet. You want to take that loose end and tuck it under the bottom and then place it on the baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining puff pastry, tahini, and sugar mixture, and then bake your swirls at 400 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes or until they're browned and crisp. Let cool slightly and then serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.